Hey friends, what's up? I'm gonna go ahead and open my October Whiffbox. I'm not doing this on Facebook Live this time because I have some customers who have ordered it and I don't want them to see what's inside. So I said to put it on YouTube because they don't watch my YouTube videos. We're just gonna do that. So this is October's Whiffbox. We're gonna go ahead and open it. I just got it. My kids were really wanting to see inside, so I was like, okay, I'm going to go ahead and just open it because if I don't go ahead and do it, then they're going to find a way to get into it, and it's not going to be as cute. All right, so same adorable box as last time. Another really cute poster. This one is a pumpkin stencil. That's kind of a cute idea, Scentsy. So you can use this as pumpkin stencils. Cool. So it's themed a little bit there. Cute little poly bag. Looks like we got a Luna bath bomb. Ooh, Amazon Rain hand cream. Got a pineapple coconut vanilla lotion sample. A blueberry pancake sample. This is one of our best sellers right now. That's exciting. A butter pecan sample. A Grandma's Orchard sample. These are like 2 cubes each. So they're valued at a bunch. That's a lot of wax. A Be Merry sample, which is our scent of the month for, is it November? Yeah, November. A pineapple coconut vanilla body wash sample. There's a lot of samples in here. It's cool. A Lucky in Love lotion sample. And a Lucky in Love body wash sample. You can try both lines. That's cool. Oh, Mulan, True to Your Heart. Bar. And a Belle, Enchanted Rose Scent Circle. So we got some Disney stuff in this one. That's exciting. That is everything in here for October. We got a whole lot of stuff. We got bath bomb, hand cream, 4 huge deluxe wax samples. This is like a bar and a half of wax. Scent Circle for Disney. Mulan, True to Your Heart Scentsy bar. And then a bunch of these, which is awesome. Lucky in Love body wash lotion of pineapple coconut vanilla. If you guys want a Whiffbox, comment below or follow the link in the caption. You guys can get yours. If you sign up for Scentsy Club, though, and get auto shipped, you'll get a better deal on shipping. So if you want October's, you're going to buy it from my PWS and then go ahead, or my website. And then if you would like to get November's, go ahead and do the auto ship under Scentsy Club because you'll get it for cheaper shipping and then you won't have to worry about it. It'll just keep coming to you every month. And these are really cool. They're $30 boxes. And if you buy them through the subscription, the shipping is way cheaper. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Bye.